Welcome to another Marine Life video today. Welcome to a new Marine Life. That's right, we're revamping the channel, making it more entertainment, better for your viewers. What did you say? The new what? I'm not leaving. That's right, man. We're refreshing the channel, better for our viewers. You had your time, it's time to say goodbye to you. All right, guys, so you heard the news. Refreshing the channel for you guys, making better content, more content coming for you guys. And I'm gonna kick it off because this boss over here has been promising you guys a giveaway for a while. A lot of things you don't come through. Guess what? We're doing it now. We're changing the channel for you and stuff that you guys want to see. To improve this channel, I need your help. You guys make this channel better by asking comments and stuff that you guys want me to review and stuff you want to see for either your boat or your fish tanks. You ask for it and I'll make it happen. So today's quick video is a giveaway. I'm gonna give away finally this Fusion radio. This Fusion radio was installed in my boat, very limited time. It's almost brand new. Yes, I've used it, but very little bit. Still has the stickers on it. I'll show you all that stuff in a minute. But I want to give away my old radio. The speakers are not in here at all. But you're doing what? You can't do that. What are you talking about? No one got permission to do that. That's right, guys. We're giving away this radio, MS-RA 55. It's a great little radio. I use it somewhat for myself. I can vouch for it. I love the way it sounds, very clear, stuff like that. But we're not gonna stop there. Because the speaker's not in here no more, and I don't think you want my old used speakers because they suck. And I'll tell you what, if I reach 1,000 subscribers within those 30 days, I will send you, that's right, send you, the winner, a brand new pair of Fusion speakers to match this radio. You're doing brand new what? No, what? It's not about you anymore. Get out of here. It's about them, our audience that needs to be seeing stuff. You gotta go. All you have to do to enter is like, subscribe, and comment on one of my videos, and you'll enter automatically to win this radio automatically. And additionally, if I hit 1,000 subscribers within that time frame, you also will receive a brand new pair of Fusion speakers. That's right, brand new pair. Guys, thanks for watching. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to make better content for you guys in the future, and I hope you guys enjoy and watch. Please help me make this channel better. Till the next one.